Hi, I'm Margie Holmes, psychologist, author, and educator. After our two episodes on suicide, let's have something a little lighter for today's episode of Ask Margie. I asked, what's the best advice you ever got? And here's what you said. And the first category is on romantic relationships, family, and friends. Maureen Jean Lara, if you're a married woman, don't expect that you're the only woman in your husband's life. Kakata-cute, but I think you're correct. At Desa Lejan, boys will always be boys, so your guy won't ever change ever. Kakata-cute rin. But, you know, as I say, this advice is good for several women, for several men, no? Okay, Jenny Benitez from my mom. After that, she told me after my heart got broken, you will love again. Just make sure it's a reciprocal relationship next time. Rihanna Aquino from Dr. Margie Holmes when she was my student. Go and at least try to look for your dad. You never know, baka you need that moment in your life to move on. Just see how it goes, so at least in the future, no regrets. From Maribeth Brown Oliver, panoorin mo siyang malugmok sa mga maling desisyon niya kung ayaw niyang makinig sa'yo. Taray, but again, I'm sure it made sense if you think it's the best advice that you received. From Bernadette Charks, crazy advice about married life, but it's helped me spontaneously. And that is, every year is the hardest. So, remember to give it your best shot always. Anne Regala, it's okay to give your 99% to the person you love, but make sure you save the remaining 1% for yourself. Because when all else fails, doon ka sa natitirang porsyento para sa sarili mo, huhugot ng lakas para makabangon ka uli. And now, here's some financial advice from Chris Avarabis. On dealing with inheritance, try to keep the peace. Never fight with your siblings and heirs over inherited land. Study hard, work harder, learn to earn or save than buy your own properties. From Lavi Villacruces, this is from my mom, at sinabi niya, mamili ka ng lalaking responsable, nagtapos, at marunong humawak ng pera. Kasi yung paselos-selos, andyan lang yan pag bata pa kayo. Pero madalas, pinag-aawayan ng mag-asawa ay pera. Now, on self-love, Wing Besilos said, buntot mo, hila mo, sungay mo, karga mo. This is both from Mrs. Besilos. Ren Ina La Victoria, love yourself. Huwag magpaapekto sa mga kung ano-ano ang sinasabi o ginagawa ng mga taong paligid mo, especially relatives mo. Basta ituloy mo lang ang mga ginagawa mo. Stephen Cruz has got some advice which is very similar. What others think of you is none of your business. This made me start living for myself, helped me sleep better at night. Ed Sagum Estrada, to thine own self be true. Also the hardest to follow when you live in a world full of judgment. May Magsino, my grandma told me when I was little and starting to get conscious of how I look that intelligence is a lot better than beauty. But a combination of both would definitely help me reach my dreams. And she was so right. From Mayet La Peña, when someone is causing you grief, just think, kawawa naman siya, ang laki ng problema niya. Krishalyn Abayon, pray for those who hurt you and everything will be okay. Now from Margie Holmes, have a sip of water if you're really, really thirsty. And aren't you glad I practice what I preach? So now, here we have a category on education, work, and success. Lovie Villacruces, my parents said, magtapos ng pag-aaral kasi di mabibili ng kahit na sino ang edukasyon mo. May Magsino, do what you can do so that you can do what you want to do later on. This is one of the best advice my grandma gave me. It also means having a lot of patience, perseverance, and acquiring knowledge necessary to enjoy life. Now, here's some general life advice. First, from Bong Dasa. You have three choices in life, either to give up, give in, or give it all you've got. So choose wisely. Alpha Mela, regardless what religion or belief you have, or if you don't believe that there is a God, as long as you are good to yourself, others, and the environment for the most part of your life, then you're doing well. Jeruel de Ramos Rivadeneira, best advice, hang on, it will come to pass. Lahat ng bagay lumilipas. John Rufino, don't follow blindly what anyone tells you. Examine the evidence and think for yourself. Angelina Sparks Canapi, my dad would always tell me the following when he reads about my accomplishments as an actor. There's more where that came from. And also, as long as you are still laughing, the storm will pass unnoticed. Ivy Yarola, best advice, listen to your mother. Ivy, I bet you got that from your mom, didn't you? Steve Rogers, never learn from your own mistakes what you can learn just as well from someone else's. Steve Rogers, if it doesn't smell good, don't eat it. Steve adds, in terms of raising children, there are 3 rules in my house. Number 1, thou shalt not, by action or inaction, bring harm or excessive risk of harm to thyself. Number 2, thou shalt not, by action or inaction, bring harm or excessive risk of harm to others. Number 3, we can always talk and I will always listen. And if you argue your case well, I may let you win. But in the end of it, I decide and you obey. And Steve continues, because that's too much for small kids, it's usually translated like this. Number 1, don't be stupid. Number 2, don't be an asshole. Number 3, I'm a nice boss, but I'm still the boss. Finally, we end with a really good slogan from @Lene, which is, live your life to the fullest, but not to the fullest. That's it for today. Next week, we'll discuss the opposite, about what's the worst advice you ever received. Send me your questions on Facebook, tweet using the hashtag AskMargie, or send an email to askmargie@rappler.com. See you next week.